Hello and welcome to the Quality Excellence channel. I'm Mayank Agarwal, and today we're diving into Chapter 17 of our Lean Six Sigma training, Intermediate Graphical Analysis. Today, we're diving headfirst into the captivating world of data. We're going to explore what it is, why it matters, and how it shapes the world around us. But don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. We'll take it one step at a time, and I promise to keep things engaging and easy to understand. Data isn't just endless spreadsheets filled with numbers that seem to go on forever. It's the key to unlocking solutions to complex problems and making things better in every aspect of our lives. From designing rocket ships that can take us to the stars, to perfecting the recipe for the most delicious pizza you've ever tasted. Six Sigma provides us with the tools and techniques to make sense of all this data, helping us to identify patterns and trends. And a big part of that is using graphs and charts to visualize the information in a clear and concise way. These aren't just random doodles or pretty pictures. They're powerful tools that transform raw numbers into compelling stories that anyone can understand and use to make informed decisions. This process is called graphical analysis, the art of taking complex information and turning it into something simple, visual, and easy to grasp. Graphs are a universal language that transcends borders and cultures, helping teams from all over the world work together more effectively and make smart, evidence-based decisions that drive progress. Today, we'll explore some of the most useful and commonly used graphs in Six Sigma methodology. We'll start with histograms, then move on to box plots, Pareto charts, and many more exciting visual tools. Each graph tells a different part of the story hidden within the data, and helps us unlock valuable insights that might otherwise go unnoticed. You don't need to be a math genius or a statistics whiz to understand and use these graphs effectively. All you need is a curious mind and an open attitude, ready to see the world and the information around you in a brand new way. We'll break down what each graph does step by step and show you exactly how to use it to gain valuable insights. By the end of this exploration, you'll see that graphs are essential tools for anyone who wants to improve processes, solve complex puzzles, or simply understand the world around them a little bit better. So, are you ready to turn that confusing jumble of data into clear, actionable knowledge? Then let's get started on our graphical adventure and unlock the power of data together. The vast and fascinating world of data is waiting for us to explore its hidden depths and uncover its secrets. Imagine staring at a list. Not just any list, but a seemingly endless list of 1,000 numbers. Each number represents a piece of information, a data point, but in its raw form, it's just a number. Could you easily spot the average value within that sea of digits? Or perhaps identify the most common value that appears repeatedly? It's a daunting task, isn't it? Not likely. It's like searching for a needle in a haystack. Our brains are remarkably wired for visuals, for recognizing patterns and relationships through images, not for sifting through endless digits. We are visual creatures at heart. Now, imagine we take that same list and turn it into a bar chart, a visual representation of the data. Suddenly, patterns jump out at you, almost as if they're eager to be noticed. The data transforms from an abstract concept to a tangible form. You can instantly see the most common heights, the values that occur most frequently. You can easily visualize the spread of the data, how the values are distributed across the range. And you can quickly identify the outliers, those extreme values that stand apart from the rest. That's the magic of graphical analysis, the power of transforming data into visual stories. It makes the invisible visible, revealing insights that would otherwise remain hidden within the numbers. In Six Sigma, we measure everything, meticulously collecting data to understand and improve processes. But simply collecting data isn't enough. The true value lies in what we do with that data. We need to understand it, to extract meaningful insights and translate them into actionable steps. And graphs are our translators, the tools that bridge the gap between raw data and human understanding. They turn raw numbers into shapes and patterns, transforming abstract data into concrete representations. Everyone can grasp, regardless of their technical background or expertise. This shared understanding helps teams spot problems more quickly and efficiently, and brainstorm solutions together, leveraging the collective intelligence of the team. A graph can spark a conversation, igniting curiosity and prompting deeper investigation. Why are errors spiking every Tuesday? A simple question triggered by a visual cue. That one observation could lead to a breakthrough, uncovering a hidden cause or a systemic issue. Graphs guide our investigations, providing visual clues and helping us piece together the puzzle, and point us to the next step, suggesting new avenues of inquiry and further analysis. They're not just pretty pictures, although they can be aesthetically pleasing. They're powerful tools for discovery and problem-solving, enabling us to make data-driven decisions. With graphs, everyone's on the same page, working from a common understanding of the data. From engineers to frontline workers, everyone can contribute to the analysis and improvement process. They help us communicate complex information, collaborate effectively, and make better decisions, leading to improved outcomes and greater success. So remember, as you embark on your Six Sigma journey, a good graph is science you can see, a clear and concise representation of complex data. Let's use them to unlock the stories hidden in our data and drive meaningful improvements in our processes. Let's start with the histogram, a special bar chart that sorts data into bins. Each bar shows how many data points fall into a range, revealing the shape and spread of your data. Is it a bell curve, or is it skewed? Are values clustered or spread out? Now meet the box plot. It summarizes your data in a compact visual. The box shows the central 50%, the line marks the median, and whiskers show the range. Outliers appear as dots, perfect for spotting unusual events. Box plots are great for comparing groups, like delivery times for different companies. At a glance, you see which is fastest, most consistent, or has the most outliers. Both histograms and box plots help you quickly understand distribution, consistency, and anomalies. They're essential tools for making sense of data fast. Next up, the Pareto chart, named after economist Vilfredo Pareto and his famous 80-20th rule. In many cases, 80% of problems come from 20% of causes. The Pareto chart is a bar chart that sorts problems from biggest to smallest, making it easy to spot the vital few. It also includes a line showing the cumulative impact. For example, if kitchen delays cause most late pizza deliveries, fix that first for the biggest improvement. Don't try to fix everything at once. Focus on the biggest bars. The Pareto chart helps teams prioritize and avoid endless debates. It turns a long list of issues into a clear action plan. Work smarter, not harder. Let the data guide you. The Pareto chart is your shortcut to high-impact solutions. Ever wonder if two things are connected, like temperature and ice cream sales? A scatter plot is your go-to tool for spotting relationships between variables. Plot one variable on the x-axis, the other on the y-axis, and each data pair becomes a dot. Patterns reveal correlations. Dots rising together mean a positive link. Falling means negative. A random cloud means no connection. Scatter plots are key in Six Sigma's analyze phase for testing root causes. If you suspect machine pressure causes defects, plot them, see if a pattern emerges. Remember, correlation doesn't always mean causation, but it's a crucial first clue. Scatter plots help you discover connections and guide your next steps. They're simple, visual, and powerful for uncovering hidden relationships. Use them to turn questions into insights. Want to see how data changes over time? Use a run chart or time series plot. These line graphs plot data points like daily complaints across time, revealing trends, shifts, and cycles. Is the process improving, declining, or staying the same? Run charts make patterns pop upward trends, sudden shifts, or regular cycles. Time series plots are similar, sometimes with more advanced analysis. Both are essential for monitoring processes before and after changes. For example, track errors before and after new training to see real impact. They help you spot normal variation versus special causes, like a sudden spike. If something unusual happens, you'll see it right away and can act fast. These charts let you manage processes proactively, not just reactively. Watching data over time is key to continuous improvement. Making a graph is easy. Making a great one takes a few key steps. First, label everything: title, axis, and units. Without labels, your graph is just a picture. Keep it simple. Avoid 3D effects, wild colors, and clutter. Let the data shine. Use legends for multiple data series and highlight key findings with color or notes. Guide your audience's eye to the main message. Be honest. Start scales at 0 when appropriate and show your data sources. A graph should reveal the truth, not distort it. Think of yourself as a storyteller. Use visuals to emphasize the main point. Clear, honest, and simple graphs are credible and persuasive. Follow these best practices, and your graphs will inform and inspire. Turn your data into a story everyone can understand. Graphs are powerful, but they're only half the story. The other half is statistics. Graphs help you see patterns, statistics help you prove them. A scatter plot might suggest a relationship, but statistics confirm if it's real or just random. Statistical tests add rigor, measuring the strength and significance of what you see. The process is a cycle. Use graphs to explore, then statistics to confirm. In Six Sigma, this partnership is at the heart of the DMAIC method. Graphs without stats can mislead. Stats without graphs are hard to grasp. Together, they give you visual discovery and solid proof. This combo leads to confident, data-driven decisions. Use both for robust, reliable results. We've journeyed through the world of graphical analysis and seen how graphs turn numbers into clear stories. We've explored different types of charts and graphs, each offering a unique lens through which to view data. Remember, the power of a graph lies in its ability to communicate complex information quickly and effectively. Graphs aren't just for experts, they're for everyone, whether you're a seasoned analyst or just starting to explore the world of data. They are a universal language that transcends technical jargon, helping teams see problems and share insights. They foster collaboration and understanding, allowing teams to align on common goals and strategies. From histograms, which show the distribution of your data, to Pareto charts, highlighting the vital few from the trivial many, each tool gives a unique view into your data. Understanding when to use each type of graph is key to unlocking its full potential. By learning to use them, you build a powerful problem-solving toolkit. This toolkit empowers you to tackle challenges with confidence and clarity. Remember, clear labels, simple design, and honest data make great graphs. Integrity in data visualization is paramount for building trust and credibility. Use graphs to explore, statistics to confirm, and you'll make smart, evidence-based decisions. This approach minimizes risk and maximizes the potential for success. That's the heart of Six Sigma, using data to drive real improvement. It's about identifying root causes and implementing solutions that have a measurable impact. Now practice. Grab some data, make a graph, and see what you discover. You might be surprised by the hidden patterns and trends that emerge. Start simple, get curious, and let your graphs tell the story. A well-crafted graph can captivate your audience and leave a lasting impression. The more you use them, the better you'll get. With each graph you create, you'll refine your skills and deepen your understanding of data visualization. The world is full of data, waiting for you to bring it to life. From global trends to local insights, the possibilities are endless. Go forth and graph. You can change the world with a good chart. So, embrace the power of data visualization and start making a difference today.